Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Webb again. Today's story was picked out by Oriah Mayton. Hi, Oriah. She picked Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Who's making those noises? I think it's that truck. I think so. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when the little blue truck came rolling by. Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. Oink, said Piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said, beep. Maa, said a goat, and Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck. Coming through! I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Oh no, poor duck. Vroom went the dump around a curve. Oh no. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. What does swerve mean? To go around something. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no. Stuck in the mud. He was going too fast. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. That truck wasn't very nice, almost running over the duck, right? Look at all the animals, they're not even looking. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. It's that friendly blue truck. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh no. Look, Dean, they're both stuck now. What will we do? Why do they want to help?
Because they're stuck.
Well, the big dump truck was stuck and the little Blue came to help him, but now he's stuck. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. So they want to help now because their friend is also stuck. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Oof, all helping. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Did you hear a rhyming word? Load, toad. Look at his little muscles. I mean, his big muscles. Yeah, he's strong. Small but mighty. All together. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. They did it. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to the blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, nah. Sweet friends. Beep, beep, beep. There they go. It's good to have friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.